The rise of the metaverse. Here we come again with yet another fascinating topic that would capture and blow your mind and make you seek for more. The rise of the metaverse, as I'll break it down. 1. Hello, welcome to the future. Hey there, curious minds. Welcome, this is Chisholm Science Tech YouTube channel where science, technology, and the future come alive. Today, we're diving deep into a concept that's transforming the digital universe as we know it, the metaverse. You've probably heard the term thrown around in tech articles, gaming forums, or even Facebook's rebranding to Meta. But what is the metaverse, really? How did it rise so fast? And why are tech giants pouring billions into building it? Buckle up, because by the end of this journey, you'll not only understand the metaverse, you might just be living in it. 2. What is the metaverse? Imagine a fully immersive, interconnected virtual world where you can work, play, socialize, and even own property, just like real life, but in a digital space. That's the metaverse, a shared, persistent, 3D virtual universe that merges physical reality with digital environments. Think of it as the next evolution of the internet. If Web 1.0 was static pages, and Web 2.0 was social interaction, then Web 3.0, the metaverse, is all about presence. In the metaverse, you don't just see content, you experience it. It's not a single game or app. The metaverse is an ecosystem of virtual worlds, apps, and experiences. And it's growing faster than most people realize. 3. Where did it all begin? A short history. The word metaverse was coined in 1992 by author Neil Stephenson in his sci-fi novel Snow Crash. He imagined a future where people interact in a 3D virtual world using avatars. Since then, we've seen glimpses of the metaverse in pop culture, from The Matrix, Ready Player One, to Second Life and World of Warcraft. But real-world tech was still catching up, until now. Fast forward to the 2020s, and suddenly we have the computing power, the internet speed, and the devices to make it real. The spark? A global pandemic that forced billions online. 4. The technologies powering the metaverse. There are 5 of them and they are includes. 1. Virtual reality, VR. Full immersion using headsets like the Meta Quest, Apple Vision Pro, and HTC Vive. 2. Augmented reality, AR. Blends digital content with the real world. Think Pokemon Go or smart glasses overlays. 3. Blockchain and NFTs. Secure ownership of virtual assets and currencies. You can buy land, art, or even fashion in the metaverse. 4. 5G and cloud computing. Fast, low-latency connections powering real-time interaction. 5. Artificial intelligence. NPCs, personalization, voice assistants, all evolving rapidly to enhance metaverse realism. Each of these is a puzzle piece, and together, they build the backbone of a fully functioning metaverse. 5. Who's building it? The corporate race. The metaverse isn't being built by one company, it's a digital land rush involving some of the biggest tech names on the planet. Meta is spending billions on VR and Horizon worlds. Microsoft is integrating the metaverse into Teams and enterprise tools. Apple recently launched mixed reality headsets blending AR and VR seamlessly. Epic Games and Roblox are pioneering game-based metaverses with millions of daily users. Even fashion, entertainment, and education giants are joining in. Think virtual concerts, NFT fashion, and classrooms inside digital campuses. 6. What can you do in the metaverse? 1. Work, remote meetings in 3D spaces. Virtual offices. Digital whiteboards. 2. Play, VR games, esports, and open-world experiences. 3. Socialize, hang out as avatars, attend virtual parties, or go on digital dates. 4. Shop, buy real and virtual goods. Try on clothes in VR. Purchase land or NFTs. 5. Create, build games, design spaces, code worlds, all without leaving your room. The line between creator and consumer? It's getting blurry. In the metaverse, everyone's a world builder. 7. Virtual economies, real money, virtual goods. The metaverse has birthed entirely new economies. Virtual real estate platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox sell land for thousands, even millions. NFT fashion from brands like Gucci and Nike. Digital artists and creators selling 3D assets, game items, and collectibles. And guess what? It's not just monopoly money. These are real-world transactions in cryptocurrency. Some people are making a full-time living inside the metaverse. From digital architects to VR tour guides, it's a new gold rush. 8. The dark side of the metaverse. Like any frontier, the metaverse has risks. Privacy concerns. How much data are these platforms collecting? Addiction and mental health. Will we escape reality too often? Digital inequality. Will only the wealthy access immersive tech? Moderation and safety. How do we prevent harassment or misinformation in virtual spaces? Just like the early internet, we're building this in real time. And how we set the rules now will shape everything. 9. When will the metaverse be mainstream? Experts believe the metaverse will evolve in phases. 2025. Wider VR, AR adoption, early business use. 2030. Ubiquitous smart glasses, advanced haptics, more integrated experiences. 2040. Fully immersive, decentralized metaverse potentially rivaling real life. We're not there yet, but we're closer than you think. And like the internet in 1995, the revolution is already underway. 10. Education, health, and human potential. The metaverse isn't just about fun, it's transforming lives. Education. Learn in interactive 3D environments. Dissect a frog in VR or visit ancient Rome. Healthcare, therapy, pain management, and even VR-assisted surgery training. Inclusion. People with disabilities can access new worlds and communities without physical limits. It's more than tech, it's about access, possibility, and expanding human experience. 11. So, will we all live in the metaverse? Not everyone believes we'll migrate to digital realities entirely. But many agree, we're headed toward a hybrid existence where the physical and digital are intertwined. Your job, your classroom, your gym, your hangout, parts of these will exist in the metaverse. It won't replace real life, but it will reshape it. Just like smartphones, the metaverse will become an invisible extension of how we live, learn, and connect. 12. Final thoughts. The dawn of a new reality. The rise of the metaverse is more than a trend, it's a paradigm shift. From entertainment to education, from finance to friendship, it's redefining what it means to be human in a digital age. The question isn't, will the metaverse happen? It's, how will you choose to live in it? So stay curious, stay connected, and don't forget, the future is ours to build. Chisholm Science Tech YouTube channel has lots more to bring to your technological, innovational, and scientifical awareness, so if you enjoyed this deep dive into the metaverse, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next journey into the unknown. And hey, what do you think the future holds? Will you buy land in the metaverse? Would you live part of your life online? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're building a community of future thinkers right here. Until next time, keep exploring.